I'm really excited and happy to be able to introduce our Mopar 22 Durango. This is the 12th version of our Mopar specific vehicles that we've created, going all the way back to 2010 when we started with the Dodge Challenger. 250 units of this vehicle is going to be produced for our customers, either available in DB Black or White Knuckle. All of them will be accented by this offset Mopar stripe, a cue that we've utilized in a lot of our previous Mopar special editions. Having our Mopar Custom Shops really allows us to do these special things for our customers and create some exclusivity for some of our products. And we have a lot of collectors that love having these special editions. We have our unique Mopar badge on the grille, and we have our 20 by 10 wheels as well, accented by the Mopar blue Brembo brakes that really pop against the black. Moving to the interior of the vehicle, there's some really cool features to talk about. The interior, we have our Mopar pedal kit, we have our all-weather Durango badged floor mats, and we have Mopar blue accent stitching both in the door and in the seats, and we have Mopar seat embroidery in the seat back. And the most special piece to me is the Mopar 22 serialized badge that we have on the instrument panel of the passenger side.